What is a peek on a Snapchat? So with the new update on Snapchat, Snapchat have added a new feature on Snapchat that allows user to see who have swiped your chats on Snapchat. So let me show you how this works. You have to simply open Snapchat first of all. Open the Snapchat app, then once you open it, go to your Bitmoji icon or the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on this feed, you will see the Snapchat Plus icon. You simply need to open it. And then if you want to use the feature of peek a peek, then you must be Snapchat Plus subscriber, then you only be able to use that feature after that. Since I'm not the Snapchat Plus user, but it does not matter for this. So as you scroll all the way down, you will see a peek a peek. That means see when a friend half swipes into a chat. So if you toggle this option of peek a peek when you are the Snapchat Plus subscriber, then you will easily see when a friend half swipes into a chat. So let me show you. Go to chats at the bottom left corner of the screen and simply you can right swipe this application or sorry, you can simply right swipe any chat you wish to, and then if you have enabled that peek a peek option, then you will see that I button. So that I button means peek a peek. So simply we can understand that the peek a peek feature on Snapchat is the new addition to the platform aimed at enhancing the user experience by allowing users to preview certain content before fully opening it. So with the help of the peek a peek, users can press and hold on a snap in their chat feed to get a quick preview without marking it as open. So it's very useful for quickly checking the content without committing to a full view, which might be handy if you are in a hurry or want to decide if now is the right time to view it. So I hope you understand what peek a peek means on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.